the new Amazon Seller Central shipment creation workflow. Anything new can be intimidating, and because it's new, it can also be maybe a little bit buggy. But we're here to explain how this works, and we're actually going to make a shipment here on screen in real time. So here we go. We have one of the products that we're fulfilling. These are single items, so individual items, and everything's going to be in one box, and we're sending a total of 20 units. Each unit is a product, so it's as simple as that. Some products do require that Amazon states the expiration date, so I know the expiration date and I'm going to enter it here, and it's going to open up a little calendar, but it's easier just to type it in. So I'm entering that expiration date. So once I do that and it's individual, I'm going to click on ready to pack. So now it's doing its thing, and I'm going to click on pack individual units with 20 here, and we're sending one box. Great. So now Amazon's asking, how are you packing those 20 units? And as I mentioned, everything will be in one box. Now, if you had, let's say, 10 of 10 to make a total of 20 units, you would put multiple boxes, and you will tell Amazon that you have 10 and 10, or however it's going to be divided up. So go ahead and click on the confirm button, and now it's going to ask for the dimensions. So I have the dimensions here and the weight, so I can confirm packing information. So once you have that, you can confirm and continue. It's going to load up there. And again, this is a new the new interface. With anything that's new, of course, it could be maybe a little bit of a challenge in the beginning, but it can also be buggy. Listen, we tried this earlier on and it wasn't working. We were getting an error, like we weren't able to enter the quantity that we wanted to send to Amazon. So we're like, okay, what's going on? So instead of just waiting and just refreshing and clearing cache, we believe, although it's not confirmed, we believe that yes, this interface will have bugs. Anything new is very likely to have bugs. So if you see something that I'm doing but it's not working on your end, it might as well be that there's a bug. And especially now, we're doing this video in July of 2022, so maybe a year from now it might be fine. But if you're watching this now and you're experiencing some issues, don't be alarmed if it's not you. It's actually might be Amazon. So take that into consideration. Shipment date, so I know it's going to go out on the 21st. And Amazon here is asking the mode of getting the shipment. Are you sending it in a package, or do you need a pallet? So I know it's going to be a small box, so we're going to do that small box delivery. It's giving you some information here. The box is one, SKU is one product. We got 20 of those SKUs and the weight. And Amazon partner carrier is most likely going to be UPS. And it's always cheaper to use their carrier, so go ahead and accept that most of the time. You can use a non-carrier that's not an Amazon partner carrier, but you're probably going to pay more. So why do that when you have the UPS Amazon partner carrier option? Review the fees here, and what you can do is accept the charges once you do. So I'm paying $4. Continue. And it's loading, so give it a few moments. Again, anything new can be either buggy or just it might take a while. So we're being patient here. So now we have the step 3, print box labels. So where are you shipping from? Here's the information of where we're shipping from, the date, the shipment ID. These are all generated by Amazon, and again, it references your address, and it's also giving you some information on where it's going to. Really important is the how do you want your label to be printed. Now, I have a thermal printer, so it prints 4x6. But if you don't have a thermal printer, you want to choose the print option that's just regular paper if you have that option. So if you're going to be selling on Amazon, get a thermal printer. It's like 150, 200 bucks. Get a stack of those labels. The only thing you have to do is just keep getting labels. There's pretty much very little maintenance, and that's why I've always kept to the thermals. So I'm going to print this, and I'm going to go to the shipping queue and have it so that it's here and it's ready to ship, and I know that it's ready to ship. Once I see that, I know it's done. Amazon also has tutorials, and I'm going to provide this link in the video. This is the new workflow. So they've given 12 steps here on different topics on how to send inventory to Amazon. Now, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, I would love to hear it. This is a new way of sending products to Amazon. So sellers, let me know what your feedback is. Very curious on what other people think about the new workflow. Personally, I like the old workflow. This one seems to be a little bit faster when it comes to just getting things done. But listen, I like the way the other one worked just because I'm just maybe used to it. But I'm curious on what you think. So feel free to comment that below. Thanks for watching.